Safeguarding sensitive data is essential to every restaurant business. In this video, we'll show you how to easily set up staff access restrictions to ensure that they only see the business summary in your Sapaad POS. Let's dive in. In your Sapaad POS, go to Setup, and then click Staff. From the Staff Roles list, select the staff role you want to update. Next, click the Add Edit Role button below the Staff Roles list. You should see the Access Rights and Permissions section. Scroll down to see Dashboard. Under Dashboard, tick only the Business Summary Reports checkbox and deselect any other checkboxes under the Dashboard section if they're currently marked. Finally, click Save to apply the update you made. Now, when your staff logs in, they're restricted to view only the business summary reports in your dashboard. And there you have it! You just learned how to restrict your restaurant's staff access to business summary. Safeguarding sensitive information in your Sapaad POS is so simple. Make sure to check out our video on implementing swipe cards in Sapaad POS. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.